Now I'll show you how to sew the strap onto our jeans bag. Go to the side seam here, there's our side, and we're going to place the strap on the side so that it's centered on the side seam. And just, you can have it hang down a couple inches and just pin it in place. And then we'll top stitch to hold it in there. Now this is very, very thick, and so you want to make sure that when you're sewing it, you go nice and slowly and being careful not to break your needle. Now if it's too thick, or if you come to a section that's very, very thick, you can go and you can actually sew it stitch by stitch by moving the hand wheel by hand. And that way you can feel if it's hitting something a little bit too much for the needle, you can feel it better. And you're able to stop and go over it. Okay, now I'm going to pivot my cloth and continue. So you want to sew, I'm actually going to sew like a little box here, catching the strap, and then maybe even a crisscross for extra reinforcement, because the strap is going to be holding all the weight of what's in your purse. Going very slow. This is a very thick section. Going very slowly. And I go right through the tags and everything. And now I'm going to sew diagonally in our little box. Go in, pivot the material. I'm going to go up to this corner and then sew diagonally to the last corner. And then you just repeat this with the strap on the other side seam, and you have a nice strong carrying strap for your purse.